Welcome back to Crypto Spaces with another Surge update. As you guys can see, man, Surge, I'm so bullish on Surge. I really truly am bullish on Surge. I think Surge is gonna go to 2 billion market cap from here. 2026, going into the end of the year, it's gonna start its massive leg up. I think Surge goes to 2 billion market cap from here. Why do I say this? Well, I've dived into it multiple times in previous videos. And as you can see from the chart, just look at the chart, man. This chart is absolutely great, right? You don't see much charts like this at this stage in the cycle. I hopped into another YouTuber's live stream, the Crypto Undead, and he pulled up the chart. He was like, whoa, what is this? This is so bullish. It looks like it's gonna 30x out of here, right? And I showed you guys in that previous video. Surge right now at $25.15 million in market cap, $51.34 million in FDV. This project reminds me so much of KTA before it went on its massive run, and I'll keep bringing that up as well. KTA, again, another great project on base, right? Had a nice move up from the low. I think it had a 20% move up, 20 to 30% move up from the low, right, recently. But I'm talking about the move it did back here, right? And I'm not talking here, I'm talking right here, when most people, when it was so new and fresh and super risky to get in, right? This is the same spot Surge is in right now. You know, it launched, KTA launched, it had its correction, and then it broke to a new all-time high at around 33 million circulating market cap, right? It went to 33 million circulating market cap, which put it at 3 cent, 5 cent, 4 cent, and then it just went on this massive run. And now everybody was hype on KTA, right? Then it went to 21 cent at the high. It accumulated again. And then it went on its next massive run. Putting it at $1.6 billion in market cap. Now it's accumulating again. Guess what's going to happen next for KTA? It goes on a next massive run to probably $3 to $4, right? So that's what I'm seeing for Surge as far as price action goes, right? Obviously, the protocols are different and there are different utilities for Surge. But why I'm so bullish on Surge is because the application layer for Surge is, in my opinion, even better than projects like Ondo and even better than projects like Ondo and other RWA protocols, right? What Surge does is tokenize AI native platforms in Web 2, bringing it to Web 3 because of their because of the company Lab AI. Lab AI has been already doing hundreds of hackathons, millions of dollars, partnered with Circle. Think about that, man. It's partnered with USDUC. It's partnered with USDUC, man, right here. Number 6 biggest crypto stablecoin, USDC. Not USD. I'm meme coin brain. It's partnered with USDC, right? It's partnered with the one of the biggest stable coins in crypto, right? Surges. It's partnered with Google, the Google Cloud protocol or technology, right? Or it's partnered with so many different top companies: Gemini, OpenAI, IBM, Microsoft, right? It has done hackathons for all of these companies. It has done hackathons for all of these companies. And the Circle partnership is so much to point out because you see, leading developers or builders in the Circle foundation that are interacting with Surge and Lab AI, and they do the hackathons, and people from Circle and these other companies show up to the hackathons, right? I'm telling you, this is a massive gem. Multi-billion-dollar gem that Surge is, in my opinion. You can't avoid, or I'm not avoid, but you can't fade this, man. I really don't think you should fade this. Every chance you have to buy this under 10 cent is a blessing. This is going to $2 billion in market cap, man. Especially we get a nice bounce for Bitcoin. We go to a new all-time high in Bitcoin. It's gonna run fast, in my opinion. So I don't think you guys should fade this. Remember the recent update that they're doing a $1 million prize pool, $1 million fund for their next hackathon in January, right? Man, This is what you want to see in crypto. People in the space will say, oh, we're tired of memes. What does the project do? Oh, we're tired of memes. Well, here you go. Here's a great altcoin that does something, that has real world backing, that has been doing building before they even made a coin. This is not a cash grab. Come on, man. Where you guys at? Show up. I'm telling you, DCA this project. If you could get, 10,000 tokens, 20,000 tokens. How much is 20,000 tokens, right? $1,000 is 20,000 surge. I think that's going to go so far. 2 billion market cap gets you 40K, right? 40K. I would not be mad at 40K, especially if you could reinvest for the future, man. Take some profits, leave in a moon bag. Maybe you get that 40K, you take 25K profit, leave in 15K, see where the 15K goes. And then you keep moving and compounding and building, right? And I think Surge is one of those gems. It's going to move like KTA did as far as price action goes. And it's going to happen very quickly. Catch a lot of people off guard, man. Volume is looking great, 9.13 million in volume. Again, the team is not playing around, man. They have liquidity on all the top, biggest places to trade. Base, Radium, which is Solana, and PancakeSwap, up to 800,000 in liquidity on all the 3 best places to trade. PancakeSwap is Binance, BNB, Binance Smart Chain. So all the whales, right, the people with the millions of dollars in crypto, you see their wallets when you check the different Ether scans or Binance scan or Solana scan, right? You see the millionaires with millions in USDC, and all of them have access to buy this project on DEXs. And I think they're gonna flood in, man. I think when they realize, yo, what's going on here, they're gonna flood into this project, right? Super bullish. They got people like Dr. Axios that bull posted this project. Dr. Axios, if you guys don't know, Dr. Axios called the collapse of FTX. He called the collapse of Luna way before it happened, right? And he doesn't talk about projects often. Let me see if I can find the tweet for you guys. Just give me 1 second. I'm looking for the tweet so you guys can see what I'm talking about, man. So this was a few days ago on the 10th. Dr. Axios Trading Axe right here. Trading Axe. 155K followers, right? He called the collapse of FTX and Luna before they happened. He doesn't talk about crypto projects often. And he's bullish on Surge, right? I don't think you guys should fade this, man. I really don't. Again, this is a utility project. This is a use case project. Tokenizing AI startups. AI has been the biggest narrative for crypto, and it's not going anywhere. It's just gonna get bigger, right? When that next hackathon happens, or as Surge keeps building, keeps onboarding new projects, they're already generating revenue with their hackathons. They have $1 million to spend for their next hackathon. They're already generating a ton of revenue. So I don't know what else to add for this video. Just, as you can see here, TA show we're building like a triangle here. Higher lows happening, right? As you can see, the higher lows. We break out of here and make a new all-time high for Surge from here. I'm telling you guys, we break out of here, we're gonna go straight up to maybe 2 to 3, 400 mil market cap. Maybe have a correction, then the next leg up to 1 to 2 billion market cap. I'm telling you guys. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next